Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University. My subject is Animal Physiology and Endocrinology, and today we will discuss about our next topic, that is the spermatogenesis. In human, spermatogenesis takes 65 to 75 days. It begins with the spermatogonia. You can see into the figure spermatogonia, which contain the diploid number of the chromosome. Diploid यानी कि 2n, haploid n. Spermatogonia are type of the stem cells. When they undergo mitosis, some spermatogonia near the basement membrane of the seminiferous tubule, कि जो बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन के जो नज़दीक होते हैं, in an undifferentiated state to serve as a reservoir of the cells for future cell division and subsequent sperm production. कि कुछ स्पर्मेटोगोनिया तो एज ए प्रिकर्सर स्टेम सेल्स रह जाते हैं, कुछ स्पर्मेटोगोनियम के अंदर चेंज हो जाते हैं. The rest of the spermatogonia lose contact with the basement membrane, squeeze through the tight junction of the blood-testis barrier, undergo developmental changes, and differentiate into primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte, like spermatogonia, are diploid, that is, they have 46 chromosomes. Shortly after it forms, each primary spermatocyte replicates its DNA and then meiosis begins. In meiosis 1, homologous pair of chromosomes line up at the metaphase plate and crossing over occurs. Then the meiotic spindle pull one chromosome of each pair to an opposite pole of the dividing cell. The two cells formed by meiosis 1 are called secondary spermatocyte. ठीक है, spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, then secondary spermatocyte, and each secondary spermatocyte has 23 chromosomes. The haploid number, each chromosome within a secondary spermatocyte, however, is made up of two chromatids, two copies of DNA still attached by a centromere. No replication of DNA occurs in the secondary spermatocyte. In meiosis 2, the chromosomes line up in single file along the metaphase plate and two chromatids of each chromosome separate. The four haploid cells resulting from meiosis 2 are called spermatids. A single primary spermatocyte therefore produces 4 spermatid via 2 rounds of cell division, यानी कि meiosis 1 और meiosis 2. तो एक स्पर्मेटोगोनिया 4 स्पर्मेटिड प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. यूनिक प्रोसेस occur during spermatogenesis. As spermatogenic cells proliferates, they fail to complete cytoplasmic separation. Cytokinesis नहीं हो पाता है. The cells remain in contact via cytoplasmic bridge through their entire development. You can see into the figure also. This pattern of development most likely account for the synchronized production of the sperm in any given area of the seminiferous tubules. It may also have the survival value in that half of the sperm contain an X chromosome and half contain a Y chromosome. The larger X chromosome may carry genes needed for spermatogenesis that are lacking on the smaller Y chromosome. The final stage of spermatogenesis spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis is the development of haploid spermatid into sperm. No cell division occurs in spermiogenesis. Each spermatid becomes a single sperm cell. During this process, spherical spermatid transform into elongated, slender sperm. An acrosome forms on the top of the nucleus, which condense and elongate. A flagellum develop and mitochondria multiply. Sertoli cell dispose of the excess cytoplasm, and finally the sperms are released from their connection to Sertoli cells, an event known as spermiation. Sperm then enter the lumen of the seminiferous tubule. Fluid secreted by Sertoli cell pushes sperm along their way towards the duct of the testis. At this point, sperm are not yet able to swim. अभी भी वो स्विमिंग के लिए तैयार नहीं है. Each day about 300 million sperms complete the process of spermatogenesis, and the sperm is about 60 micrometer long and contain several structures that are highly adapted for reaching and penetration the secondary oocyte. The major part of the sperm are the head and the tail. The flattened pointed head of the sperm is 4 to 5 micrometer long. It contains a nucleus with 23 highly condensed chromosomes. Covering the anterior two-thirds of the nucleus is the acrosome, cap-like vesicle filled with enzyme that help a sperm to penetrate the secondary oocyte to bring about the fertilization. The tail of the sperm is subdivided into 4 parts: neck, middle piece, principal piece, and the end piece. Neck is the constricted region just behind the head that contains centrioles. Centrioles form the microtubule that comprise the remainder of the tail. The middle piece contains the mitochondria arranged in a spiral, which provide the energy for locomotion of the sperm to the site of fertilization and for sperm metabolism. The principal piece is the longest portion of the tail, and end piece is the terminal tapering portion of the tail. Once ejaculated, most sperm do not survive more than 48 hours within the female reproductive tract. This is all about the process of spermatogenesis. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it.